coming up next. And now it's quiz time. The Guyana Learning Channel, inspiring all ages.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the National Library and Gafoors annual Inter-Schools Quiz Competition. This is not simply a competition, it is a learning experience as well. All the participants had to do much research to prepare themselves to compete. And you, our viewers, will also learn as you watch and listen. In addition, the winners of the final round of the competition will be rewarded for their hard work. Each member of the winning team will receive $12,000, a trophy and a book. The runner-up team will each receive $7,000, a trophy and a book. That's not all. The winning school will receive a water cooler and the runner-up school a garbage bin. Before we begin, a quick reminder of the rules. The moderator will read each question twice and the participant will have 20 seconds to respond. At the end of that time, the bell will be rung. If the answer given is correct, 2 points will be awarded. If the answer is incorrect, or if the participant does not answer within the given time, the question is given to the corresponding student of the other school, who will have 5 seconds to respond. If the correct answer is given, 1 point will be awarded. If no correct answer is given, the moderator will provide the answer. Good luck to you all. And now, let's welcome our moderator, Miss Pamela Mason.
Thank you. We are now on to the fourth and final round of the preliminary rounds of this competition. In the studio today with us are the participants of the 2 primary schools, Mackenzie Primary and Rossignol Primary. The representatives will now be asked to introduce themselves, starting with Mackenzie Primary.
My name is Temsa Head. I attend the Mackenzie Primary School and I'm in grade 6A. I would like to be a pilot when I grow up.
My name is Mylene. I attend Mackenzie Primary. I am in grade 6 Achievers. I would like to be a lawyer when I get older.
My name is Ona Nex. I attend Mackenzie Primary. I am in grade 6A. And I would like to be a teacher when I grow up.
Thank you, Mackenzie Primary. Mr. Headley would like to be a pilot. Miss Lane, a lawyer. And Miss Knights, a teacher. We'll now go on to Rossignol Primary. Introduce yourselves.
My name is Abdul Singh. I am from grade 6-3. When I grow up, I would like to become a doctor.
My name is Grace Atwaro. I am from grade 6-2. When I grow up, I would like to be a scientist.
My name is Adrian Tarman. I'm in the class of grade 6-2. When I grow up, I would like to become a doctor.
Thank you, Rossignol Primary. Abdul wants to be a doctor. Grace wants to be a scientist. And Adrian wants to be a doctor too. I am your moderator, Pamela Mason. We're now on to the quiz. Remember, we're in the fourth and final round. This quiz, like the others, has 5 categories. The categories are spelling, social studies, mathematics, science, and sports. Each category has 6 questions. Spelling category. Give the correct spelling of this word. And we'll start with Mackenzie Primary. 10 yourself. Give the correct spelling of juvenile. Juvenile.
Juvenile. Juvenili.
Try again.
Juvilli.
You still have some time?
Juvinil.
Abdul?
Juvenile. Juvinile. Juvenile.
The correct spelling is Juvenile. Juvenile. Abdul, your word is landscape. Landscape.
Landscape. Landscape. Landscape.
That's correct. Maya, your word is ledger. Ledger.
Ledger. Leisure.
That's correct. Grace, your word is believe. Believe.
Believe. Believe. Believe.
That's correct. Safana, your word is political. Political.
Political. P-O-L-I-P-O.
Political.
Political. P-O-L-I-T-I-C-A-L.
That's correct. Adrian, your word is Mississippi. Mississippi.
Mississippi. Mississippi. Mississippi.
That's correct. We're on to social studies now. Your question, 10 yourself. Who is the Secretary General of CARICOM? Who is the Secretary General of CARICOM?
Secretary General of CARICOM is Irene LaRock.
One is correct. One part of that is correct. Say it again.
The Secretary General of CARICOM is Irene LaRock.
Could we hear that? Abdul?
Irwin LaRock.
Irwin LaRock. That's correct. Abdul, your question. Peru is to Lima as Jamaica is to Peru is to Lima as Jamaica is to
Kingston.
Kingston is correct. Maya, when was the village Victoria purchased? When was the village Victoria purchased?
The village Victoria was purchased in 1839.
What month?
August.
Try again.
The village Victoria was purchased in the month of August in 1839.
Grace?
August 1838.
Incorrect. The village of Victoria was purchased in November 1839. November 1839. Grace, your question. Name one of the rivers that separates Guyana and Brazil. Name one of the rivers that separates Guyana and Brazil.
One of the rivers is the Takatu River.
Takatu River is correct. Safana, name two of the languages spoken in Argentina. Name two of the languages spoken in Argentina.
Spanish and English.
Spanish and English, those are correct. In addition, you have Italian. Adrian, Demerara is the most important county in Guyana. Give two reasons. Demerara is the most important county in Guyana. Give two reasons. Come on, Adrian, you have some time. Savannah.
Because it is known as Asian.
The two reasons are the capital city or the chief port, Georgetown, is located there. Then you have the seat of government is also located in Demerara. So that's why it's the chief. We're on to mathematics. Tell you, sir, your question. The set of prime numbers between 1 and 10 is, the set of prime numbers between 1 and 10 is, and use your paper as provided. Yes?
Three, 5, and 7.
Say it again.
2, 3, 5, and 7.
You're correct. Abdul, the multiple of 8 after 96 is this. The multiple of 8 after 96 is this.
One hundred and 108.
104 is the correct answer. Maya, the square root of 121 is this. The square root of 121 is this.
11.
11 is correct. Grace, Deborah obtained 95% on a test of 40 questions. How many questions did she get wrong? Deborah obtained 95% on a test of 40 questions. How many questions did she get wrong?
Deborah got 2 questions wrong.
That's correct. Savannah, when calculating or measuring volume, we use centimeters, centimeter cube, centimeter square, or centimeter cube. When calculating or measuring volume, we use, which one do we use? Centimeter, centimeter square, centimeter cube.
Centimeter cube.
Centimeter cube is correct. Adrian, your question. In a village, there are 1,200 residents. If 360 are men and 440 are women, how many children live in the village? In a village, there are 1,200 residents. If 360 are men and 440 are women, how many children live in the village?
Is that 440?
440 are women. 360 are men. Yes, Adrian, give a response. Savannah.
400.
400 are children, that's correct. We're on to science now. Can you solve? The universal solvent is called
Water.
What is correct? Abdul. The amount of space an object occupies is described as the amount of space an object occupies is described as Try again. Again, you might get it right.
Volume.
Volume is correct. Maya, your question. This type of force exists between the north poles of magnets. This type of force exists between the north poles of magnets.
Atrophy.
Repulsion.
Repulsion is correct. Grace, your question. Another name for trachea is
Windpipe.
windpipe is correct. Sophona. Seeds need moisture, air, and this to germinate. Seeds need moisture, air, and this to germinate.
The right temperature?
Yes, we could take that. The right temperature or warmth. That's correct, Grace. Adrian, your question. Which of these will cling to a magnet? Gold, aluminum. Which of these will cling to a magnet? Gold,
Aluminum.
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 Aluminum is correct. And we're on to the final segment of this quiz. Sports. 10 yourself. CCC means this. CCC means this. Remember, we're on to sports. No. Try again. Abdul?
Combined campuses, colleges.
That's right. Combined campuses and colleges. That's correct. Abdul. The 2012 National Cycling Road Race champion is the 2012 National Cycling Road Race champion is Can you sing? Irville Hines. Maya. Darren Sammy served as West Indies Test cricket captain for something years. Darren Sammy served as West Indies Test cricket captain for something years.
For 10 years?
No.
Years?
2 years. 3. 1. 4.
4 years? That's correct. Grace, your question. IOC means this. IOC means
International Olympic Committee.
That's correct. International Olympic Committee. Sophona. NSC means this. NSC means this.
National Sports Committee.
Try again.
National Sports.
Try again, Sophona. Adrian.
National Squash Committee.
National Sports Commission. National Sports Commission. Adrian, you have the final question in the quiz. What is the meaning of GTTA? GTTA.
Guyana Table Tennis Association.
That's correct. And with that, we've come to the end of the quiz. The fourth round in the preliminary rounds. We're now awaiting the results from the judges. We're now in receipt of the results. And before I announce the results, I'd like for you to give yourselves a big round of applause. Good. So I'm going to announce first the persons who scored the most points. And from Grace from Rosetnall Primary, Grace Etwaru, she scored the most points. She has 10 points. And Savannah Knights from Mackenzie Primary has 9 points. Was the high scorer for her school, while Grace was the high scorer for her school. The runner-up school with 19 points is Mackenzie Primary. And the winning school with 22 points is Rosetnall Primary. I'd like for you to come out in the middle and congratulate your peers.
This brings us to the end of this round of the competition. The winning school will go forward to the next level. See you next time around for another in the National Library and Gafoors Inter-Schools Quiz Competition 2014.
Guyana Learning Channel, taking education to all corners of Guyana.